What's up everybody? Today's been a long day. We started off the day getting a fresh haircut, and then I did chores all day, and it's about 6 p.m. now on a Saturday night, and we're finally going to install the side skirts. What we actually did today first was, my wife and I, we expanded our gym. We bought more mats, we extended it out, and then we bought a Peloton for some cardio and organized some shelving so we can put our shoes and stuff in. So we spent pretty much all day doing chores, and now it gets to the fun stuff. We're gonna go ahead and install these beautiful side skirts today. And honestly, I think these side skirts are one of the best looking ones for the M4. They're the P-style side skirts. And what we're gonna do first is, because it's brand new, I'm not gonna worry about cleaning and prepping it as much. But I am gonna be installing it by putting a strip of 3M tape, and then we're also gonna screw it to the car. Whenever you buy these Chinese carbon fiber parts, they usually send you like these double stick tape. I don't trust it, so I buy the 3M heavy duty one. I think it's rated for like 30 to 60 pounds or something. But what we're gonna do first is we're just gonna go ahead and apply. You wanna come closer? We're gonna apply tape all the way down.
You know, earlier you were looking at your watch, but you had no watch.
I did chores all day, and it's about 6 p.m. now.
So how the fuck did you know it was 6 p.m.?
I just guesstimated it was like 6 p.m.
Nah, it's like 6:30.
That's funny. I'm gonna go edit that so and make it funny. Like, yeah, just my invisible watch here. What we actually need to do first is clean the under panel of the car. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and just clean it with some detail spray, and then back it up with adhesion promoter so the 3M tape sticks down pretty well. And watch this, guys. It's about to get real nasty in here. I'm gonna clean it a couple times because I know it's gonna be dirty.
That's disgusting.
Yeah, it is, isn't it? And then for the adhesion promoter.
I seriously never see you clean anything this well unless it has to do with the car.
All the car guys will understand. This isn't a chore. This is life.
Alright.
Now I can peel this off. Let's do this. Oh, okay. So first what we're gonna do is I'm gonna have Linda, my wife, help put it up. The 3M should hold it up for a while. I'm gonna jack up the car, and then there are 5 points to screw it in. I'm only gonna do 3. I'm gonna do 1 on each end and 1 in the middle, because this 3M tape should probably be able to hold it by itself. But we're not gonna risk it, and we're gonna go ahead and drill into the car. So let's put this down. Just like last time, please. You wanna get your side first. Hover right below it first. Don't let the tape touch until you're probably good. Check it out, guys. So this is how it looks with just the 3M. We're gonna go ahead and jack it up. Ooh. That looks so good.
What you to do? Macho, stop. I know you hear me. Hey. Hey. Let go. Ew. Macho nasty. Look at that. It's so nasty.
Alright, guys. So what I'm gonna do right now, I normally don't advise, you should always use jack stands. I usually use my quick jack, but because it's only gonna be 3 screws, I'm gonna be real fast. Just jack it up, screw in the 3 points, and then we're gonna be done. So when you're jacking up the car, make sure you get these jack points for the car, because it's gonna make it a lot easier. All right, guys. Wifey was actually cooking dinner, and we heard the food go off, so she has to go ahead and finish that. So I'm gonna go ahead and just finish this without her. And she's back.
Should I leave it?
Oh, fuck. Jesus Christ. Hey, bud, did I scare you? My bad. Again, I highly advise you guys don't do this. Thing is stuck in there. Boom, boys, and we're done. Woo! Go ahead and show them the goodies. Oh, we're gonna go do the other side, and then we'll show you guys the final product. All right, guys, today was a super fast, super easy install. I think these side skirts, or any side skirts for this car, or the BMW M3 or M4 is probably the easiest thing. Just jack it up, put some 300 tape, and then screw them babies in. So let's give you a close-up. We got one part done. Check these out, guys. Oh my God. They fit so well with the car. Hold on, boo. They fit so well. Look at it. It extends just the right amount with the rear wheel and with the front too. Oh, and then honestly, I mean, I wish I could have took the car outside. It's really dark right now, and show you guys what it looks like outside, but it's also raining. Let's get some focus on there. Y'all, my bad. But I love how it lines up with the rear wheels and the front wheels. And we're gonna go ahead and, yeah, but again, super easy install. The next video would probably be the install of our rear diffuser. I got some good news from Kevin, the person that I bought my parts from. They're actually gonna let me keep the rear extensions and install it for now. And then they're gonna send me replacements so that at least I can still rock it while they're making another one just for me, because that one was faulty. So, but that's it. If you guys please can like and subscribe or comment, let me know what you guys want to see on the channel. If you guys like the content I'm putting out, please thumbs up, because that's probably going to help me a lot. But we got a lot more car parts. After we install the diffuser, that's probably it for us for the cosmetics. And then we're going to go ahead and start dialing in, getting more power, and turning this thing into a monster. But that's all I got for you guys, and thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one. Peace.